An electric unicycle is transportation stripped down to its essence. This unicycle is so dead simple, it only has one moving part. So why would it act like this? Well, the trouble is, this device has two moving parts. The pedals of the electric unicycle are stabilized by a hub motor, a battery pack, and a controller board that uses an accelerometer to detect Earth's gravity and orient itself. If the controller board were not rigidly attached to the motor, then the accelerometer is a moving part, and this feedback loop can go unstable. This particular unit has ridden more than 3,300 miles, and it has been enjoyed immensely. So now it has some broken plastic bits, and it needs a new tire. Fortunately, a new case is available. I ordered it for about $100. With a tire. What I couldn't buy, I printed. Because I have an unusual vehicle, I have to be my own mechanic. And it's delicate, safety-critical work. So the final step is a check ride.